nice and relaxing, but it did result in me spraining my finger when moving my kayak incorrectly. That's totally my fault. So today, I just felt like relaxing and trying something new. And I don't know why, but food ASMR, like food cooking, really relaxes me. So I'm going to attempt to do that today. Will I probably fail? Probably. So today, I will be making bacon, coffee, and oatmeal. Let's get started. This lighting is awful, but we're not gonna talk about it. This is our bacon. Turkey bacon, as always. I think I'm doing this right, I don't know though. Let's move the bacon over to the pan. Bacon tends to make me really nervous. I don't know why. Bacon is really intimidating for me, so if I act like it isn't there, it can't kill me with its grease in my sleep, right? Is that not how bacon works? Oh my god! Oh! The biggest birds just started fighting in the backyard. Oh my gosh, they're still fighting! Yo, it's just a treat. You don't gotta do all that for just a treat. So the bacon is burnt. This is not an abnormal occurrence within my household. I burn food all the time. I never said that I was a good cook. I just said that I can cook enough to keep myself alive. I just burned my fingers. Once again, in the odd kitchen, my ring light does not want to cooperate and get on the team. The worst part is I can't even flip it off. It's just that this is not intimidating. I'm trying to flip it off best I can. Can't do it. But now we're going to be moving on to, I think, my favorite part of breakfast, which is coffee. Today, we will be trying something new here in the kitchen. What the just flew by my backyard? Hello? Anyways, today we will be using a mocha pot. I think that's how it's pronounced. So, what we're going to be starting with is water at the base of the machine. I used it out of my drinking cup because I felt that the sink might be too abrasive for this whole thing. Step 2 is filling this little thing with coffee. We will be using my favorite coffee, which is generic vanilla coffee. This is a new pack too. This particular mocha pot can make up to 6 cups of coffee and or espresso. I will not be having 6 cups of coffee today. Nope, can't have that. You then place it on top of the water. Like so. I want to add more water, I just got really insecure. I've added a little bit more water just to be safe. This is the lid. This is where the magic happens. I think you just let it do its thing now. I'm not entirely sure. For anybody wondering what the white spot on my shirt has been, it has been makeup because I live in a chaos that I have created for myself. So I have grabbed a small bowl in order to start making our oatmeal while our coffee is doing its thing. Okay. Sure, why not? That should be enough. Something's happening with our coffee. You guys, it's working. So how my coffee is just set that off to the side for a bit and we're going to refocus back on the coffee. I bought a milk frother since the last time I made coffee. You should be proud of me, but not that much because this isn't the best, but it gets the job done. This is my ice. I chose one that looks like a honeycomb because I thought it would be cutest in most drinks, and I was correct. I've added blue agave to my oatmeal, and I'll be adding frozen raspberries. God damn it. We have a raspberry down. It's gonna be okay, guys. And that is my breakfast, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you enjoyed this video and were able to relax. I am starving, so I'm going to go eat this now.